Okie dokie. Hey everybody, Justin and Brenda, cleaningmarketing.com, and this is a tip for cleaning businesses, how to build your reviews. Now, you probably heard a lot of stuff, but especially if you're a little bit younger or even, in your business, it's really important the best way to get reviews that works the best is to actually call your client and see what's going on. How did that cleaning go? All right, so it's showing that you care about your work, and if they're happy with stuff and happy with the cleaning that just happened, then you can shoot them over your link to do a testimonial. You can make it really easy for them by sending them this link, which we'll show you in a second, and then they can just click on it and do that review right there when you're on the phone. Right? And your chances of getting that review, even just a quick one, you can kind of coach them through, just put a couple lines, whatever it is, star rating, boom, done, everybody's happy. That's the quickest, easiest way to get, to help build up those great reviews for your business. Yes, it's a little extra work, but it works really, really well, and you can get your reviews going in no time.
Especially when you're starting out, like you said.
Yeah. But that works anytime, really. And then kind of like the second most powerful way to get a review is then to actually do something similar, but instead of actually calling, maybe you send that as in a personal email or a personal text. And if you're not doing texting in your business, there's a whole thing around that, and it's a fantastic marketing platform. But that's not what this is about. So you could send them in a text or an email your review link, and that review link from Google will pop open and make it really easy for them to leave that review. So there's no question, clicking, trying to find stuff. It makes it really easy. And then, kind of the more sophisticated, sort of high scalable version is to do sort of an automated review system, which you've probably heard of. There's all kinds of them out there. Some of them are quite expensive for what they do. But basically, every time one of your jobs closes out, you can do an automated review. And that can, especially for bigger businesses that have a already solid profile that can risk getting a little bit of a maybe not perfect review every time, then that's maybe a good option there that's totally scalable for you. One even better way to go, if you ask me at least, is to sort of do it with the automation the same way that you did it with that phone call, in the sense of text or email them, hey, how'd that project go? The one that we just closed out, how'd that job go? Can you give me a little feedback, 1 through 5, or click on a smiley face, whatever a nice, easy way to respond for them is. Then you know how they're feeling about things. If they're super happy with it, maybe we do the automated review then. And if they're anything less than super happy with that clean, maybe we get them over to customer service and fix the problem ASAP, right? So those are to me, the top ways to get reviews in your business, legitimate, good reviews from people who've actually done business with you. And we're gonna zip over to Brenda here really quick, and she's just gonna show you how to do that. So say,
I'm the Vanna White of the day.
Yeah. So you'll do a quick search, and if you want to narrate
for your business.
Yeah. So this is how you find your Google business profile once it's established. Is do a search, maybe your business name plus city, to make sure you find exactly you.
Okay. So this is going to teach you how to get that cool little link that Justin's been talking about in this video. So the first thing you're going to do is just go to Google, search your name. Make sure that you include the city name so that it takes you exactly to your business profile page, which should look like this. You're going to find the reviews icon here. Go ahead and click that. It will open the review tool. This nice blue button in the upper right-hand corner, get more reviews. You're going to click that. And here's your handy dandy link, review link. Go ahead and you can just copy it, and it will copy it to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you're going to be sending it to your customer. Also, right above that, there are handy dandy shortcuts. You can email it directly from here, WhatsApp, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. But it gives you multiple ways that you can do that. So that's how you get the link very easily. And I hope that was helpful.
Okay, so there you go. That's how to get reviews for your business. They are so critical for profitability, selling for the highest amount, getting the most leads from your online presence, and getting the highest ROI from your advertising in general. Reviews are like at the center of all that. So super important. Go and do this stuff. And if you're interested in learning about our all-in-one marketing platform for maid service businesses, request a discovery call on our website. We'll give you a demo and just show it to you and see what you think. We've got a lot of cool stuff in there that helps you grow affordably and practically. So check it out. And I guess that's it. We'll see you guys soon.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to let us know that you got value from this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.
See ya.